Welcome to DIYeasycrafts.com. Today we're going to take a look at how to easily make St. Patrick's Day welcome signs. Now I started with actually three 12-inch by 4-foot PVC boards. I spray painted dark blue and then sprinkled some light blue on the top of the board for the background sky and green spray paint on the bottom for the grass. I then peeled the painter's tape, which separated the two. I let that dry completely, of course, before doing that. And then we're going to use window stickers or decals for all of the graphics. And these you can find online. They're relatively inexpensive. I think I bought 3 packs, which was more than enough to do about 5 of these boards. And they come in a variety. You can get all sorts of different leprechauns or shamrocks, all sorts of different things. These are not very sticky. It's not like a decal that you would put on a car or whatnot. So I'm really just laying them in place, and then the epoxy resin is going to encapsulate all of these later on. It doesn't take long. You finish the complete layout. I've done 3 of them here. I'm pretty happy with the layout. The only thing I'm going to add is the text. Now the welcome text I actually cut out of self-adhesive vinyl. I did it with a craft vinyl cutting machine called a Silhouette Cameo. A Cricut would work just as well. And I laid this in position just with a clear transfer film. Now you don't have to use PVC. You could certainly do this on wood. I choose to do the PVC just because it will hold up to the test of time and elements. It's going to be out in the weather, etc. This is a 2-part epoxy from TotalBoat.com called their Maker Epoxy. You want to put on a real thick coat. I just used a little paintbrush to smooth it all out, make sure that every inch of the board was covered. If these stickers move around on you at all, you just put them back where you want them. The last step is to use a heat gun or a hair dryer just to blow out any little air bubbles that are in the epoxy. It thins out the epoxy and it allows those bubbles to reach the surface. These are the finished products. Very personalized St. Patrick's Day porch welcome signs. I hope you liked the video. If you did, I ask that you please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this YouTube channel. By all means, check us out on the web for our other St. Patrick's Day crafts at DIYeasycrafts.com. Thank you very much for watching.